Uh-oh.
One day in Teletubbyland, Tinky Winky saw that somebody had spilled their tubby custard on the floor.
Somebody peeled the cubby custard.
But whoever it was had left footprints. Tinky Winky followed the footprints.
Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky followed the footprints over the hills,
Over the hill. Uh-oh.
and round the bush,
Around the bush. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
to the place where Dipsy was sitting with the rabbits.
Uh-oh, Dipsy.
Oh, Tinky Winky.
Was it Dipsy who spilled the custard?
Dipsy peeled the cubby custard.
No?
No.
And sure enough, the footprints carried on. Who spilled the tubby custard?
Who peeled the cubby custard?
Who spilled the tubby custard? Who spilled the tubby?
Tinky Winky and Dipsy followed the footprints over the hills,
Uh-oh.
to the place where Laa-Laa was dancing.
Uh-oh, Laa-Laa.
Hello, Dipsy. Hello, Tinky Winky.
Was it Laa-Laa who spilled the tubby custard?
Laa-Laa peeled the cubby custard?
No!
No.
And sure enough, the footprints carried on. Who spilled the tubby custard?
Who peeled the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky, Dipsy and Laa-Laa followed the footprints over the hills,
Uh-oh.
in and out of the trees,
In and out of the... Uh-oh.
across the path,
Across the park.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
around the house,
Around the house.
Uh-oh.
and then they went indoors.
They went indoors. Uh-oh.
to the place where Po was fast asleep.
Oh!
Uh-oh!
Was it Po who spilled the tubby custard?
Yes!
Who spilled the tubby custard?
Oh! Ow!